皆さん、こんにちは。Yuki here. In this video, I'm going to go over kedo, keredo, and keredomo. It is used like but or however. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so kedo means but, and it is used often in spoken language. And kedo connects two sentences. It comes as the last word of the first sentence and keeps two sentences as one. Alright, let's look at example sentences. In the previous video, we had a video about demo. Here, I'm using the same example sentences so that you can compare them. Alright? 10時間寝たけど、まだ眠い。10時間寝たけど、まだ眠い。I slept for 10 hours, but I'm still sleepy. Right, so kedo is connecting two sentences. 10時間寝た that means I slept for 10 hours. And まだ眠い I'm still sleepy. Kedo means but, so that makes it I slept for 10 hours, but I'm still sleepy. Next example sentence. 日本語は難しいけど、日本語の勉強は楽しい。日本語は難しいけど、日本語の勉強は楽しい。Japanese is difficult, but studying Japanese is fun. Next example sentence. 今日は晴れたけど、風が強い。今日は晴れたけど、風が強い。So, it means, it's sunny today, but the wind is strong. 今日は晴れだけど、it is sunny, but 風が強い。The wind is strong. Next example sentence. 日本食は好きだけど、納豆は苦手だ。日本食は好きだけど、納豆は苦手だ。I like Japanese food, but I don't like natto. So 日本食 that means Japanese food, and 苦手 that means not good at or not liking something. Right, so 日本食は好きだけど、I like Japanese food, but 納豆は苦手だ。I'm not good at natto. Right, natto is a fermented soybeans and it's a little slimy. So even some Japanese people don't like it. I'm neutral though. I like eating it sometimes, not all the time. Alright. So there is a different way of using kedo. Here, you can make an incomplete sentence that you're supposed to guess what the speaker means. Right, so you might think, huh? What is that? Let's look at example sentences and see what you can guess from the sentence. Alright? みんなと飲みに行きたいんだけど。みんなと飲みに行きたいんだけど。I'd like to go drinking with everyone, but... Right, so 飲みに行く。飲みに行く。That means go drinking. So, みんなと飲みに行く。That part means go drinking with everyone. 行きたいんだけど、I want to go. けど、but, ... So, usually that means that person is busy or, have something to do. Alright, so let's look at another example sentence. ママ、お腹すいたんだけど。ママ、お腹すいたんだけど。Mom, I'm hungry. Right, so お腹すいた that means I'm hungry. Like my stomach is empty or became empty. Right, so that you're telling your mom. And that pretty much means when is it gonna be ready? Or like, where is my food? Right, so that's something you can guess. But It all depends on the context. So just keep that in mind. Next example sentence. 私、風邪をひいているんだけど。私、風邪をひいてるんだけど。But I got a cold. Right, 風邪をひいている that means I got a cold. So I'm feeling sick. Right, so 私、風邪をひいてるんだけど。But I got a cold. So maybe you're talking to someone and then that person says, hey, let's hang out. And then you might say, wait, but I got a cold. 私、風邪をひいてるんだけど。Just letting them know that you're getting sick, despite of whatever they're saying. Okay. Next example sentence. まだ私の会社は小さいですけどね。まだ私の会社は小さいですけどね。Even though my company is still small. Okay, so you might say, oh, it's amazing that you're the owner of the company. They be humble and they might say this. Another example sentence, but here instead of using kedo, you could use ga. So みんなと飲みに行きたいんだけど。It's the same meaning, but you can also use ga here. みんなと飲みに行きたいんだが。So I'd like to go drinking with everyone, but I'm busy or something like that. So using ga sounds a little bit more formal, but just being a little more formal, it doesn't give you an impression that you are being polite or something like that. Just kind of same level of politeness, but a little bit more formal. Alright, next, you can use keredo or keredomo, just like kedo. Pretty much the same way of using it, but those are a little bit more formal. So let's look at example sentences. 彼女はお金持ちだけれども幸せではない。彼女はお金持ちだけれども幸せではない。She is rich, but not happy. Right, so 金持ち, that means rich. So 彼女は金持ちだけれども that means she is rich, but 幸せではない。幸せ that means happy. So 幸せではない。not happy. Next example sentence. 彼女はいつも優しいけれど、時々怖い。彼女はいつも優しいけれど、時々怖い。She's usually kind, but sometimes scary. So 彼女、right? She いつも優しい。That means usually kind, always kind. けれど、but 時々怖い。Sometimes scary. Alright, today's quiz. Translate these sentences into Japanese using what you learned today. Number 1. He likes hot coffee, but doesn't like cold coffee. Number 2. I like snow, but I don't like cold weather. Number 3. I want to go out, but it's raining. Alright, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. またね。